visual effects winner ay... Go, co-producer.
Riot Inc. The Kingdom.
Kingdom.
To present the award is Doris Jimenez.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat in behalf of Riot at saka in behalf of the Kingdom team. Maraming salamat